I've bought out the Rekon, HGLRC Rekon 5, the tri-bladed little cracker. Welcome to my channel, guys. I recently had a fly this Rekon 5 with a Liion 18650 pack on the roof, and I wasn't all that happy with flight times. I did have a Cadex Orca on the front there. I only got about 10 minutes out of it, so I'm going to give it another shot. Just charged it up. This time I'm going to do a very light fly around. I think last time what happened was I punched it too many times, which completely drains this battery pack rather rapidly. So definitely not your freestyle type of flying, more of a slow cruise. So that's what we're going to do today, go for a slow cruise, check out that timer, and we're going to see how long the Rekon 5 will stay up in the air for with a Liion pack on the roof. I know with a 854S that I normally fly with, good 10 minutes quite easily, and that's flying relatively conservatively as well, so that's not a bad result at all from the little 4S. So I'm hoping for 15 minutes here at least. Otherwise we may need to start looking at some prop configuration and seeing if we can put on some different props, maybe some bi-blades, and see if we can get better flight times with that. Any comments down below? Love to hear from you. You can see I've got some landing feel on this because yeah, sometimes you just got to land hard. So okay, let's warm up our GPS with another battery and let's get cracking. Let's go. Okay, let's fire her up. Pretty quick with that GPS connecting, took about a minute and a half. Got no other launches here with that antenna, so yeah, always have a spare 4-pack lying around for situations just like this. Lovely. Okay, time is running, guys. Like I said, only got about 10 minutes from this last time, so I'm going to be really ginger on the throttle. Grab yourself a coffee, grab yourself some toast, a couple of biscuits, and hopefully we can stay flying for about 10 to 15 minutes. $800 milliwatt VTX, really pretty decent. I know the hillside does drop away. There are some trees there, so I'm not going to go for a range test today, even though I have the tree penetrating TBS patch on my goggles. It's not an ideal situation, so I'll sit on around 60 meters of altitude and just slowly cruise around. 14.5 volts. Couple of little flitters there, a little bit of break up. We should be good for about 1 kilometre, so I will take it around 1 kilometre. Interesting, I'm getting a low battery already. I am being super ginger, guys, on the throttle. 2 minutes 53. .5 volts. Yeah, there's me, there's the big old tree. Mm, 12.8 I believe is a magic number. I will come in at 13 however. You can see the second I give it a tiny bit more stick than I'm giving it now, it drops straight down to that 13 volt warning level. No good. Something I did forget to do, guys, is to jump onto Betaflight and change that warning level because it's basically set too high. And I can hear the alarm going off as well, so that certainly isn't going to be helping our cause. And there's a car coming. So I was, oh, what's he doing? Go on, off you go, mate. Obviously you can't fly around here without being hassled by people. There's my test cut short, guys. Someone just pulled up next to me and I don't know what they were doing, but as I'm by myself, it's a bit sketchy. Looking in the goggles whilst flying your quad, a little bit dangerous. Let's just see how much power we've got left. We just need to be mindful, we are very low on power. I'm not too concerned about the alarm. I am going to land it when we're around the 13 volt mark though. Or if somebody else comes to bother us. Yeah, it's going to be the same result though as last time. Looking at about 10 minutes flight time, the Rekon 5, so I thought it would be a little bit better than that, guys. But comments below, let me know your thoughts. It's a good 10 minutes with the Liion pack. I thought we'd get a bit more. Okay, that's my warning. Whenever it says land now, we basically have to land quickly because the Liion is just going to stop running. Well, there we go. Thank you. There we go, guys. So yeah, 10 minutes with the tri-blades on. So I'm pretty certain that's the second flight I've done now, only achieving 10 minutes. Fully charged Liion, 18650, 35 milliamp. Let me know if you get any more than that. I'm starting to wonder about this battery pack, which is new. If you can get more than 10 minutes. Thank you, alarm. If you can get more than 10 minutes with the Rekon 5, love to hear from you. Good stuff. Well, I'm going to go have another fly of one of my old favourite whoops. So I need to find somewhere where people aren't quite so interested in what I'm doing, because that's a bit annoying. See you next time in the sky, Sky Pilot. Catch you later on, guys. Bye for now.